Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Kristen at Health Source in Buffalo. And this is Kennedy, my little helper. I'm going to show you guys how I adjust babies. A lot of people don't know how babies get adjusted. Warren is going to be a year old next week, and he loves getting adjusted. He laughs the whole time. So, we're going to show you. Yeah. So I'm going to just check his mid-back, and I can do that even while he's sitting here. He'll probably start laughing. So I'm just motioning his back, and I can feel where it's restricted. And now, I actually adjusted a couple spots in there. So I'm going to check you. That side is good, so I'm just checking for mobility within the hip. Alright, should we lay down? So I can be really quick with him because he's cooperative most of the time. Ready? Wait, ready? Huh? Will you come right here and help me? Oh, goodness. Okay, ready? Should we check your neck? Look over here, look over here. That side is good. Should we do this side? Good job! You did a great job!
Why didn't you cry? Other babies cry.
Alright, and that's how you adjust a really wiggly baby. Right. Super fast.